to all G-code, they're called G-code. And essentially what G-code is, it tells the head to move left or right, or the bed up or down. Yeah, that's all it does really. So the machine does really do help a lot.